Mission Kakatiya, restoring and rejuvenating Telangana's water bodies. Mission Kakatiya aims to revive and restore Telangana's minor irrigation tanks and lakes. By desilting and repairing these water bodies, the project increases their storage capacity and improves their efficiency in retaining rainwater. Preventing siltation of tanks and lakes, Mission Kakatiya plays a crucial role in water conservation. It efficiently stores rainwater, meeting irrigation needs and recharging groundwater. Activities like desilting, strengthening bunds, and repairing tank infrastructure contribute to rural economic development. Restoration of water bodies supports biodiversity and enhances the overall environmental health of the region. It helps restore aquatic ecosystems. Mission Kakatiya encourages community involvement in the restoration and maintenance of tanks and lakes. Local communities and government agencies play a crucial role in its successful implementation. The project aims to sustain water resources and promote water use efficiency in agriculture. It aligns with the broader goal of ensuring water security in the state. Mission Kakatiya is an important project in Telangana, addressing water management and agricultural challenges. Its success depends on proper planning, execution, and ongoing maintenance.